And here is another example as the evidence or the proof for this linguistic relativity. We know lots of languages have grammatic gender, and every noun gets assigned a gender, either a masculine noun or a feminine noun. But the way we assign genders differs from language to language. For example, the sun is feminine in German but masculine in Spanish. Whereas the moon got the reversed assignment of gender. So for moon in German it's masculine, whereas in Spanish it is a feminine noun. But would this the way we assign genders to different nouns could possibly affect the way we think or describe these objects in the reality? So the researchers they recruited a group of German and Spanish speakers and asked them to describe the sun. They found that the German speakers they would describe the sun as more feminine, and they would use words like beautiful, elegant to describe the sun, whereas the Spanish would use some words like strong and gorgeous to describe the sun, because in their language, sun is a masculine word. So I hope this is another example to show you guys the basic idea of linguistic relativity. That is, what language we speak would influence the way we think about this word. And here are some other examples for you guys. It's coming from my personal experiences. Well, some of you are speaking German, and we know that German, one kind of important feature of German is they have lots of long phrases, long sentences. So when they start a sentence, they got to think ahead and try to make plans how to complete this long sentence. So when they are learning this language, they have been automatically cultivated to have this ability or to form this habit. You got to think ahead of time. You got to make careful plans. Whereas in Chinese, we usually have this kind of short phrases, and we don't have a very strict grammatic structure. So as a result, probably Chinese people compared with a German speaker, we are less likely to make plans. We are less likely to think ahead of time. Okay, so that is the basic idea of linguistic relativity. The essence is that what language we are speaking affects the way who we are and the way we think about this world. And after this one, I have a second question for this week. If you speak more than 2 languages, reflect your language learning experiences and think about whether you have a situation where you found the language you are learning actually shapes the way you perceive this world, your cognitions or your behaviors. So this is the second question. Give us some examples to kind of illustrate the point. And for Wednesday's class, we're going to talk about deception. We're going to talk about the nonverbal influence and nonverbal persuasion. I hope you guys have a nice Monday, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.